Curious about how these attacks can affect your site? At Savage Hack, we break down each step from injection to impact so you can stay ahead of the curve. Check out savagehack.com for in-depth tutorials and more.
And then back to your browser. But DOM cross-site scripting is different. Everything happens right in your browser. So here's how it works, right? The web page has some JavaScript that changes the content and behavior based on the user input, like what you type in a search box or a URL bar. Now, if the JavaScript isn't careful and doesn't check exactly what you're entering, an attacker can sneak some harmful code in there. This malicious code runs directly in your browser without ever touching the server. It could possibly steal your data, mess with what you see, or do other nasty stuff, all because the web page didn't properly handle the input. So, in short, DOM cross-site scripting is a client-side attack that manipulates how your browser processes a web page.